Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, how to sell peace of mind. Picture this, a customer's multi-point inspection reveals an oil leak, suspension problem, or some other expensive repair. You know the customer, and it's going to be a tough sell. They've been tight with their money in the past, and you can see it's going to happen again. The repair is quite necessary, but you're worried they're going to turn you down like they have before. Every service advisor has been in this position, probably often. You can throw everything you know at them. Their family will be safer, the repair will cost more if they don't do it now, their car could break down. You might even offer a discount just so they'll say yes. But more than saving money, there's one thing that everyone wants that no discount can buy: peace of mind. It's an all-encompassing approach to sales. It can address the repair cost, the repair timeline, safety, and more. The repair is X dollars. I know you weren't expecting the expense right now, but we have the time to get it done today, so you won't have to make another appointment. And you won't have to worry if your car is safe. You'll have the peace of mind your car's in good shape. Should I tell the technician to go ahead? And will you need a loaner car for the day? Now see how that works? The price is met head on, and the other potential objections are addressed before they come up. So it's summarized in the customer's peace of mind, and it's made easy to say yes. And that's the tip of the day. CPI offers a full range of dealership training, including selling techniques for service advisors. Call us today at 212-763-0016 to find out how customized learning can benefit your team. Thanks for watching.